Hello friends, installing and configuring a good compiler is the first step to start your programming journey. CodeBlocks is the best C++ free compiler available. Many students get stuck in the process of configuring the compiler and debugger correctly. In this video, I demonstrate how to download, install and configure this versatile CodeBlocks programming IDE. www.codeblocks.org is the official site of CodeBlocks IDE. You have to open this site, and in the site you find the icon downloads. So you have to press the downloads icon. Under the downloads you find download the binary release. When you click on this, you will get different options like this. There are different set up programs for different operating systems. For example, if you are using a Windows XP, Vista 7, 8.x or Windows 10 operating system, you can press this. If you are using a Linux machine, you can go to this option, and if your computer is a Mac OS, you can go to this option. Now coming to the Windows option, you are having plenty of binary files here. Depending on whether your system is a 64-bit or 32-bit, you have to select one of these options. I am selecting the CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup exe. This is the latest one. I can either downloading it from sourceforge.net. So I clicked on this. The download has already started automatically. Now we have to wait for this download to complete. You can see it is a 145 MB file. Now the code block 20.03 installer executable is downloaded. We can double click on this to run it. Now the installer is ready to install. Now you can give, in the setup you can give next. It is asking for the agreement. You can just go through and give I agree. Now you can give default, go to next. Now by default this will install the program in program files / code blocks. Okay. If you want to put it in a different drive, you can change it by browsing. I am putting it in the same default install because it's installing. Now it is asking whether we will run the code blocks. Now give yes. Can give next and finish. Dear friends, after installing the code blocks, the setup has automatically created a shortcut icon on my desktop like this. Now double click on this, the code block opens. Before creating a new project, you have to go to the settings. On the top menu you find settings. In the settings you have to go to the compiler setting. In this compiler setting itself, you have to go to the toolchain executables. Here you see the path. Friends, you can see the path here. You can press this auto detect to verify the path. So code block will automatically verify whether the path is correct, and you just give OK. If the path was not correct, it will auto correct the path. So you don't have to worry. Then you give OK. Now you go to the settings again, go to debugger, go to default. Here this executable path to gdb.exe you have to verify. So here the executable path is // program file / code block / min/gw / bin dot bin / gdb.exe. So this one you can verify. Here you can give OK. Now to start a new project, create a new project. We will be starting a console application program which can display something on the monitor. Now you can give next here. We'll select C style of programming. Go to next. Project title we can give test 1. I give, and the project by default it has come C:/ user/user/desktop. If you want to change, you can change from here. I will leave it like this. Now give next. Here you can give finish. The compiler has generated the new project named test1 for you, and you click on the source here. You can see the main C file here. Click on this. The main C file generated automatically by the compiler is available. You can delete all this and write your own program, or you can modify this program also if you want. For example, I'll write printf welcome to my channel. Whatever you want to display should be within the double quotes like this, and after this you have to give a semicolon like this. Now this is there are two statements. One is printf hello world, and the other one is printf welcome to my channel. To run this program, first we have to build it by pressing this build icon, and then this run button, or you can go to the build menu here. Here also you'll find the build icon and run. You can use any. Here I will use this build icon. Now the program has built the executable, and it has, see here in this window you can see that it is generated with 0 errors, 0 warnings. So we will run it and see now. See on your console, hello world has come, and whatever I have edited, welcome to my channel, it has also come. It shows that the compiler is running correctly. You press any key to click from here. Now you have come back to the editor. Dear friends, if you like this video, kindly like and share, and also subscribe if you haven't already done. Thank you.